Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect PayPal to QuickBooks online. So all you have to do is head over to quickbooks.intuit.com, then just sign in to your account. Then next from the left menu, just click on banking or transactions, then bank transactions, then just click on link account. Just search for PayPal in the list of banks or apps. And just log into your PayPal account when prompted and just authorize the connection between PayPal and eBooks and QuickBooks. Next is just select the PayPal accounts you want to connect. QuickBooks will then start importing your PayPal transactions automatically. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!